Hey, how you doing? My name's Elton, and this is Using Declarative Jenkins Pipelines here on Pluralsight. I'm a Microsoft Azure MVP and a Docker captain. I've been working with CI/CD tools for many years, and I work really hard on my Jenkins setup to make sure that it stays a useful tool and doesn't become a maintenance headache. One of the best things you can do there is move to pipeline jobs instead of freestyle jobs, and that's where this course will take you. First, you'll learn how pipelines work, how you can structure your build in a Jenkins file that lives in your source code repository, and why declarative pipelines are such a better alternative to freestyle jobs. Next, you'll see how pipelines promote reuse, because really they're CI/CD jobs as code, and you can break common functionality out and share it in libraries so your pipelines are clean and easy to maintain. Lastly, you'll learn about the different workflows which pipelines support, which let you modernize and streamline your Jenkins setup, using containers as build agents, generating pipeline jobs with a script, and using a single job to build multiple project branches. So join me and learn how to use Jenkins effectively, right here on Pluralsight with Using Declarative Jenkins Pipelines.